How to make something move on screen in Final Cut Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to make an image or video move around on screen. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. I've gone ahead and dropped my logo onto this project. My goal for this video is to make this logo move all the way to the left, to the right, return to the center, and then fly up off the screen to leave. For when this clip starts, I like where this image is located. So because I want it to start and stay here, I'm going to click at this beginning part of the timeline, go up to this transform tab, and hit this plus next to the position. This is essentially going to lock the position in place, meaning that by this specific frame I clicked on the timeline, this position is where this image is going to be. If this doesn't make sense yet, hopefully it will soon. So for me to get this image to move all the way to the left, I'm going to click ahead to when I would like it to be off screen, tap that plus again to lock it in place, but set the lock to something else. So in this case, I can set it to completely off screen. Going through the process then, if I want to get it to go all the way to the right of the screen, I'd skip ahead again, lock it, and then move it forward. Before I make this thing fly off screen, I'm just going to set one final point that returns it to the center. Okay, it's done. So let's play back what I just did so we can see it in action. As you can see, it's moving all the way to the left, and then all the way to the right, and then back to the middle. Before we make this thing fly off screen, there's something else important you need to know. Once you've locked and set all these points on your clip, you can right-click on the clip and click Show Video Animation, and these dots here are exactly where you set your transformations. Another quick way to get back to them is next to that plus, you can hit these tiny arrows, and as you can see on the timeline, it's skipping me between all of these transition points. Anyways, let's finish it off. I moved ahead a little more, and I'm also showing you that if you don't want to have to manually enter those position numbers, you can hit transform and move it around like this. So I set it all the way up here, and as you can see, it did this little animation where it flies up off the screen. This may be a little complicated to get the hang of at first, but once you get it, you'll be able to move images around your video like it's nothing. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.